Welcome to Dad Does, and today we start with a magic trick. Watch as I can tell the temperature of these two different objects without touching them. Ready? Here we go. Alright, I am pulling out my node sensor with the app running Bluetooth to my phone, and we look at this cup of water. That's looking about 124 degrees. This cold ice block here, 24 degrees. So there you go, pretty cool. Just by pointing this at it, the node thermal sensor, we're able to tell temperatures. Let's show you what's going on here. Alright, so we're looking at the node, and let's explain a little bit more about what's going on here. Now, the white part here, that is called the node core. I think of it like an environmental sensor. What it allows you to do is works with Bluetooth 4.0, wirelessly send information about your environment. We were just showing the temperature there, right over to your iPhone where you can record it. Now you'll notice here that there's actually two silver modules on both ends of our core node here. These are the modules which allow you to expand it. So we were looking at the Therma module, which allows you to check temperature, and we're going to show you another module in a moment which allows you to check color. That's the Chroma. What do you do with the node? So we were showing you a little magic trick there, but the therma is actually quite useful. You have the ability to measure temperatures without having to touch the object. So around your house, you can check the insulation. You can check a wall or a window, see the temperature of it. If you've got a pipe which might be hot, you can check the temperature. About a 10 to 15 foot range, all you do is you point the node, you see that red light, it records the temperature right onto the phone. So as you use this, you're going to find a lot of uses for this. You can even measure body temperature with it, but we really think people who are doing some work around the house and want to be able to check temperatures will find a lot of uses for the node and the therma module. Alright, the node does a lot of other things besides just the therma. We want to show you the Chroma app, and we think this is great for anyone who likes to decorate around the house. Watch how this works. Let's say I want to see the color of this green here, and I want to get an exact match. I'm just going to put my node with the Chroma module on the end on and press this collection button. And what it'll do is actually give me the full color of this green. There's even an app where this will match it up exactly to the paint color from Benjamin Moore, all the different paint companies, so you'll know exactly what you use to match up if you're looking to do some decorating. So obviously a lot of uses for this around the house. Let me just show you something else here. Let's say I want to compare two colors. I'm going to pick this one here, and you're going to see all right, that's more of a blue color, this is a green, and it gives you the percentage match. So if you were trying to match different colors in the house for doing some decorating, this Chroma is very cool. We think that there are a lot of uses for this Chroma app, especially if you like to decorate. And don't order yet, there's more that the node can do. So one of the other basic functions built into it is that the node with the core operates like a gyroscope and allows you to see measurements. So we're going to show that. I'm going to focus on the phone now. As I move and rotate that, I am moving and rotating that block there. Now obviously this is just a demo, but what you can see is some uses here. As a gaming device, this could be something where you're moving it separately and controlling something on your phone. As some type of sensor, if you want to put this in the washing machine and see when it's done moving or something like that. So that's another point we want to bring up. Open source here, the APIs are open, so we think that a lot of hackers and developers are going to develop a lot of different applications that use the sensors on the node. Alright, what we've done here is we've taken off one of the modules at the end, one of the sensors, and we just want to show you how this works. So they just screw on, they're two screws. We're going to show you the actual module so you can see what it looks like off. Alright, so here's the module which we have taken off of the node core. And we think this is really one of the cooler things about the node, that it's expandable with these different sensor modules. So they make additional modules. You can check oxygen levels, carbon monoxide levels. You can check the temperature in the room. You can check pressure. So there are a lot of different modules they're coming out with. We think this is only going to get better. We really like that it's expandable, and we also like that it's an open architecture, and we think people are going to program and do some neat stuff with it. Come on over to daddoes.com. We'll have a full review and all the information on the node over on the site.